I'm Todd Meier with Team Construction Company, and we are located in Goshen, Indiana. When our homeowner brought us the idea of using a Viewrail FLIGHT floating stair system, we were apprehensive and maybe a little scared because we'd never done it before. The normal framing for this stairway would be more closed in. The only way to open up the feeling of this open area would be in the railing itself, and only the railing. With this system, you can see it's open all around, and it just enhances that open concept that everybody wants. One of the concerns that we had, this being a standard plan of ours, was what kind of modifications we might have to make in order for the Viewrail FLIGHT system stairway to work. We had to add an LVL header at the top. We moved a floor joist at the bottom. When they designed this particular system, we added one more step than we normally would, but we had plenty of room at the bottom. So it all worked out just fine. Very, very minimal framing costs were involved to make those changes. From a building code standpoint, one of our concerns was the tolerances and the openings in the Viewrail FLIGHT system. The jurisdiction that we built this home in is a little stricter than other jurisdictions, so that heightened our concern. They took all of those code concerns into consideration when they designed these stairs. So the people that designed this did great, and no code problems at all. The Viewrail FLIGHT system basically gets done in a day with 3 people. We were, being our first time, we had a few other people watching and learning maybe for the next one. But yeah, to have this kind of a system get done basically in one day was surprising. If I was asked to install another Viewrail FLIGHT stair system again, I would do it.